ottoman that I got for my living room. You can use it in your living room. You can use it as a even just like an entryway. You could put it there, like, and use it for shoes, or like a little bench to sit on to put your shoes, or even like at the end of your bed. Lots of different ways that you can use this. It's very cushioned. It's collapsible, so you can store it nice and flat away when you're not using it if you don't want. It's also nice and convenient because it can be used as a table. So I love it. It's a nice coffee table as well, like in my living room. This is perfect. It's just the right size. This is made out of wood, so that way if it spills, you can nicely clean it up. And then the storage itself is a lot of storage. I have a big comforter in here. I have pillows. I have more blankets. I have more pillows, lots of different things. You can even fit more. As you can see, like, this goes down, so you can fit a lot of stuff in there. You can use this for toys as well, as like a toy chest. So lots of different options. I highly recommend this product. It is the best, really well made. I love it. It looks nice, and that's it. I mean, it's perfect. So hope you enjoy. Bye.